Is your Windows clock timer not starting, counting down, or alerting you when it reaches 0? Timer problems can happen because of incorrect settings, notification issues, app glitches, or outdated Windows components. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Windows clock timer not working in 2026. First, open the clock app and select Timer. Check the timer duration and make sure you've entered the correct hours, minutes, and seconds. Also make sure you're starting the correct timer if you have more than one saved. Click Start and check whether the countdown begins. If it starts but stops unexpectedly, click Resume and watch the timer for a few seconds. This can help determine whether the problem is with the timer itself or with the notification at the end. If the timer counts down but you don't receive an alert, check Windows Notifications. Open Settings, select System, then Notifications, and find the clock app. Make sure notifications are allowed. Next, check your computer's sound settings. Make sure the volume isn't muted and that your audio output device is working correctly. If the timer finishes silently, the issue may be related to sound rather than the countdown itself. Also review Do Not Disturb and other notification settings. These features can limit notifications from applications. Open Windows notification settings and make sure clock alerts aren't being unnecessarily blocked. If the timer still doesn't work, try repairing the clock app. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find Clock and open Advanced Options. Select Repair if it's available. If repairing doesn't help, try Reset from the same Advanced Options page. You should also check Windows Update and the Microsoft Store for available updates. Updating or resetting the app can resolve problems caused by corrupted data or outdated software. And that's how to fix Windows clock timer not working in 2026. Check the timer settings first, then review notifications and sound, repair or reset the clock app, and install updates if necessary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.